Have you ever noticed how shapes can tell a story? Like sometimes a square feels solid and grounded, or a heart feels soft and tender, or a star feels radiant and bold. So this past week, as I was collaging the blocks, I asked myself, and if I used geometrical shapes to express my emotions and also boost my emotional fitness? So this video, that's what we're gonna talk about. We're going to explore how looking at shapes through the eyes of creativity can help you process emotions, find clarity, and shape up your emotional fitness. Hi, I'm Sabrina Norbert with Let's Cut the Scrap, where I help creative women like you tap into the power of sewing and quilting to boost emotional fitness, rediscover your spark, and reconnect with yourself. And this past week, as I mentioned, was all about creating geometrical shapes like hearts, squares, and name it, that symbolize emotions. Oh my goodness, it was a beautiful exercise in seeing shapes not just as designs, but as creative tools for emotional expression. So let's dive into what this practice revealed about strengthening our creativity and our emotional fitness. Let's start with number one, seeing shapes as emotional symbols. When life feels complicated, we often struggle to name what we're feeling, right? That's exactly where shapes come in. They give us a visual language to explore our emotions. Think about it. Squares can give us a sense of stability. Stars can inspire us. Hearts can remind us to stay soft and connected. So by creating these shapes, it dawned on me that we are not just sewing. We are honoring our emotions in a way that feels simple yet powerful. Creativity like this connects the brain and emotions. Research shows that working with shapes and patterns enhances emotional processing, reduces stress, and boosts mindfulness. Point number two, let's consider rewiring our brain with creative play. Shapes are much more than just geometry. They are an invitation to play. This last week was a chance to let go of perfection, trust my instincts, and enjoy the process to the fullest. And you know why? Because a square doesn't need to be perfectly aligned. A star can shine in its own quirky way, and a heart can truly hold space for our feelings. Messy, beautiful, and real. This kind of creative play rewires the mind to focus on possibilities and not the flaws. It shifts us out of the overwhelm and into a state of calm curiosity. And neuroscience backs this up. When we engage in creative expression, our brains release dopamine, improving mood and problem-solving skills. Creativity literally changes the way we think. Now, point three, let's consider building emotional fitness one block at a time. Think of this practice as emotional strength training. Each shape you create is like a wrap for your emotional fitness, teaching you to process feelings, embrace imperfections, and trust yourself. To me, last week's blocks weren't just scraps sewn together. They were symbols of growth. They were symbols of stability, boldness, tenderness, and the list goes on. Over time, these small creative sessions build a stronger emotional foundation. Just like physical fitness, emotional fitness grows with consistency. Showing up for your creativity, even a single block per day, tells your mind, I matter. My emotions matter. Now, I want to invite you to transform your creativity into your superpower. Are you ready? If yes, take a deep breath. Now close your eyes. And imagine a space where every stitch you sew strengthens your emotional fitness, clears mental clutter, and brings you closer to living life to its fullest. Now, think about what shape best represents how you feel today. Perhaps a square for stability, a star for boldness, or a heart for connection. Allow your intuition to guide you. Picture yourself sewing, quilting, or collaging that shape, And with each step, feel yourself moving toward clarity, calm, and inner strength. Now take another deep breath. And gently open your eyes. How do you feel? I hope fabulous. Now, grab your scraps and bring that shape to life. Let it serve as a reminder of your emotional journey and your creative power. I also recommend you write a few words about what this shape means to you and how it reflects where you are today or where you want to go. This is exactly the kind of practice we are building together in the Let's Cut the Scrap Emotional Fitness Club. My friend, it's more than just sewing. It is a movement of creative women reclaiming their power, exploring their emotions, and shaping their lives one block at a time. Want to join us? Be the first to access exclusive content, guided exercises like this one, and a supportive community designed just for you. Join the waitlist today. You have the link in the description below. And remember, your creativity isn't just a hobby. It's your secret weapon for clarity, calm, and unstoppable strength. Be curious, keep creating, and keep shaping your journey one scrap at a time.